It is time for an unboxing. And what is it? What is it? It is Volume 5, the final book in the reprint of Crockett Johnson's Barnaby, a reprint that I and Eric Reynolds and Dan Clowes, who designed these books, and Fantagraphics' entire team have been working on for like 15 years. This is the last one. And see who this forward is by? That's right, Ron Howard. Because Ron Howard played Barnaby in the 1959 television production with, who's that with him there? Is that the Cowardly Lion? It is. It's Bert Lahr. You have some rarely seen photographs from that production. A beautiful introduction from Susan Kirtley. And then the final 2 years of Crockett Johnson's legendary comic strip, a comic strip that ran for 10 years. And when he wanted to end it, Crockett Johnson made the unusual choice of writing a narrative ending to the strip. When Barnaby turns 6, his fairy godfather, Mr. O'Malley, will have to leave. But, as O'Malley says, and if you don't have your 6th birthday, I won't have to go away. If you do have it, my boy, my fairy godfather's handbook here says, but if I don't, I won't grow up. True, but lots of people never grow up. Makes things difficult on occasion, I dare say, but I better ask Pop. Wait, Barnaby, he's grown up himself. He'll be prejudiced. This is no matter to decide on a biased opinion. Well, but you also, of course, have my notes, if you want to know what the references are to. There is Crockett Johnson's Fantastic Companions piece, where he talks about the fantastic companions of young children. And of course, I have contributed an afterword to this as well. You don't want to miss that. There's a letter in here from Crockett Johnson talking about why he decided to end Barnaby. Check it out. Now available. And as I say, this is the culmination of a decade and a half's dream and work. Collect them all. Perfect for your home, school, or university library. 1942 to 1943. 1944 to 1945. 46 to 47. The first volume in French. Sold separately. Not available from Fantagraphics. 48 to 49. And now, 1950 to 1952. For the very first time, you can read Crockett Johnson's comic masterpiece in full. Anyway, thought I would share that with you. Makes me happy, and, we all need something to make us happy, especially these days. So, Cushla McCree, Barnaby.